Hi, in this video we'll learn how to solve an inequality and graph the solution set. So first of all, we're going to solve this inequality and then we're going to graph the solution set on the number line. Now we're going to solve this inequality just like we solve a multi-step equation. I will solve this inequality just by following three simple steps. The first thing is we need to simplify the inequality if possible. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to combine the like terms if they're on the same side of the inequality symbol. The third thing we're going to do is we're going to use the inverse operation to isolate the variable x. So let's start with simplifying the inequality. To simplify this inequality, first of all, we need to get rid of this parentheses. And I'm going to distribute 12 inside the parentheses. That means I have to multiply all my terms inside the parentheses by 12. So 12 times x will give me 12x. Minus 12 times 3 is going to be 36, plus 2x is greater than 6. So we simplify the equation. The second step is we need to combine the like terms if they're on the same side of inequality. Since I have 12x and 2x on the left-hand side, I'm going to combine these two terms because these are my like terms. 12x plus 2x is going to give me 14x. And then I have minus 36 is greater than 6. Now the third step is we're going to use the inverse operation to isolate our variable x. So first of all, we're going to undo subtraction. What is the opposite of subtracting 36? The opposite, the inverse of subtracting 36 is adding 36 on both sides. Now negative 36 and positive 36 is going to be 0. So I have 14x left on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, 6 plus 36 is going to give me 42. Now to isolate my variable x, all I need to do is to divide both sides of my inequality by 14. This 14 and this 14 is going to cancel out each other. We got x on the left-hand side is greater than 42 divided by 14 is going to give me 3. So I got my solution, which is x is greater than 3. Now let's go ahead and graph this solution set on our number line. To graph the solution set, we need to know two things. We're already familiar with the signs. We have the less than sign and greater than sign and less than equal to and greater than equal to. Now, since I have greater than sign in my inequality, I'm going to make an open circle on my number line. If you have the less than equal or greater than equal sign in your inequality, then you're going to make a closed circle on your number line. But since I have greater than symbol, I'm going to use the open circle. So this is my boundary point. 3 is my boundary point. I'll make an open circle on 3. So first of all, we're going to find 3 on the number line and we're going to make an open circle on 3, which indicates that 3 is not a part of my solution because x is greater than 3, but x is not equal to 3. Now, x is greater than 3. That means what part of the number line do I shade? Do I shade the left-hand side of 3 or do I shade the right-hand side of 3? Now you're going to think that all the values which are to the right of 3 are greater than 3. Since x is greater than 3, I have to shade the right-hand side of the number line. So I'm going to shade the right-hand side of number line. So any value which is greater than 3 is a part of my solution, is my solution, and x is not equal to 3. That's why when you have an open circle, that boundary point is not included in your solution. When you have a closed circle, that boundary point is also included in your solution. So in case if you have x is greater than equal to 3, if you have this symbol greater than equal to 3, then you're going to make a closed circle on the number 3 because that indicates that x is also equal to 3 and x is greater than 3. So I hope you feel comfortable in solving and graphing the inequalities now. That's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel and want to see more videos on other math topics, be sure to subscribe down below and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.